Hello everyone, this is Naresh. So in the previous video we have seen how we can locate an element through the ID, and now we will see how to locate an element through an XPath. So XPath is also one of the way through which we can locate an element. Before we go ahead, just want to tell you how many XPath which we can use. So there is one absolute XPath and one is relative XPath. In this example we will use relative XPath, and in the later videos I will tell you what is absolute XPath and what are the different ways through which we can put functions into the XPath. Okay, now let me open a page. Okay, so this is our Google page. I will do a right click on this text box, and under that you will see there's a tag called input, and there are different attributes given like name, autocomplete, ID. So on the basis of these attributes we can create an XPath of our own. So I will do a Control F here. Okay, now I will put a double slash here. For XPath we have to give this double slash if it's a relative XPath, and then we have to give the tag input. Okay, and it will search for all the input tags into the web page, but I want to go to that particular section, so I will go back to that HTML again, and under that I can use any attribute in this like ID, name, class, anything. So let me use ID because ID is the best you can say an attribute which we can use in XPath. Okay, so it will be ID equal to LST minus IB. Okay, so for the attribute I will give @, and for ID I will give ID equal to, and then it would be LST-IB. Okay, and I will close the bracket. See, once I have done that, it has automatically selected this HTML code. If I hit it enter again, it do not go anywhere else. So that's mean this is a unique XPath of this text box, and I can use that into my code. I will select it, I will put it here. Okay, I have to remove this by.id, and I have to use by.xpath. Okay, I will give the expression here into double quotes, and I will give a semicolon. I have to give one more bracket here. Okay, now I will run it. So I will click on run Java application. It has opened the browser for us. It has opened the Google. It's trying to find the text box. So it has found the text box, and it has entered Yahoo like before in that, and click on search button. So through this way our program is completed. You will see by the use of XPath we are able to locate an element. So whenever you're working on the actual projects in your company, you might encounter very difficult web pages in which there is no ID, no name, and in that case XPath is very useful. So that's all for XPath right now. In the next video I will tell you in detail what are the different ways and what are the different functions which we can use in XPath, and what are the other things which we can use besides XPath. Alright, thank you.